Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. The question is that a point on x-axis means, see, this is a graph, this is a y-axis, this is the x-axis. You take anywhere on x-axis. Here the first coordinate is x, second coordinate is 0, because the point on x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. Therefore we have to find the distance of 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9 from x-axis whose y coordinate is 0. But always you remember, whenever you take point on x-axis, y value is always 0. Let me find it. Take point P on x-axis, x comma 0, point A 2 comma minus 5, point B minus 2 comma 9. That means this is the point P, this is a point B, this is A. The distance of AP is equal to BP. Both distance are equal, because see in the question which is equidistance. That means the point P is equal distance from A and B. By using distance formula, first we have to find the AP distance and then the BP distance. This is the x1, y1, x2, y2. We have the distance formula. AP is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we have to put all the x and y values. x2 is here, whose value is x, x1 value is 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus of 5. AP is equal to, now this is the x minus 2 whole square plus minus into minus plus, this is 5 square. Let the find of value of BP, the same distance between 2 point formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now take B as x1, y1 and P coordinates are x2, y2. Now put the value BP is equal to x2 x minus x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 9, because y1 value here. BP is equal to, this is x minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus, this is minus 9 whole square. But P is equidistant from point A and B. Therefore, AP is equal to BP. Let me write the AP value. AP value is here. AP value is given. We have already found. That is x 2 x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Now BP value is here. X plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Both side root will cancel. Then the remaining is x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. Here is x plus 2 whole square plus of minus 9 whole square. This is expand a minus b whole square means x square plus 2 square minus of 2 into x into 2 plus 5 square is 25 equal to same, but here the a plus b whole square x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2 minus 9 whole square, it will become plus 81. Here both sides are some similar terms, they will cancel. X square will cancel. Then this is the 4 minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4 plus 4x plus 81. Here plus 4 cancel. Can I write like this? 4x plus 81 is equal to minus 4x plus 25. Now what we do here, the remaining is 4x. Can you transpose it? 4x. See here, here is a minus 4x. Transpose it in LHS side, it will become plus 4x is equal to, here is 25. Transpose this 81. That means plus 81, it will become minus 81. This is the 8x. Subtract that 25 minus 81, it is minus 56. See here, 8 and x are in into relation. After transposing 8 towards the RHS side, it will become divide minus 56 divided by 8. X is equal to, after divide the minus 56 by 8, it will become 8 ones are 8 sevens are minus 7. X value is minus 7. Therefore, x coordinate, the points are, the point on x axis is minus 7 comma 0, because see here, everybody see please, this is the x value, This is the 0. X value is minus 7 and the y value is 0 because on x-axis y value is 0. Therefore, point minus 7 comma 0. And here the one the example, similar example for your practice, and you can solve by using the similar method. Same problem I will give it end of this video.